Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Parakeet AI for Windows step by step. First, open your browser and search for Parakeet AI. Once the search results appear, open the official Parakeet AI website. After the homepage loads, sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you are logged in, you'll arrive on the dashboard where all the interview tools and features are available. Now look around the dashboard and you will see the option called Download Desktop App. Click on it. After clicking, you will see download options for both Mac and Windows. Since we are downloading it for Windows, choose the Windows option. Your Parakeet AI desktop application will now begin downloading automatically. This may take a few moments. Once the download is finished, open the setup file from your downloads folder. The installer will launch automatically. Follow the installation steps and wait for the setup process to complete. After installation is finished, the Parakeet AI desktop application will be ready to use on your computer. Now go back to your desktop or home page and you will see the Parakeet AI app icon successfully added. Open the application, log into your account, and now you can start using Parakeet AI directly on your Windows PC for interview preparation and real-time interview assistance.